Here are some tips to fix an Xbox controller that doesn't turn on, aside of changing the batteries, because you've heard that one too much. Okay, so try to connect your controller with a cable to your console or your PC. If you have rechargeable batteries, or the Play and Charge battery pack from Microsoft, maybe the controller is just severely discharged. Leave it plugged in for a few minutes and then try to turn it on again with the Xbox button. Maybe it just needed some juice. But if that doesn't work, try a different cable. Or try to firmly press the Xbox button. Maybe your button is damaged and needs more force to be pressed. Another possible solution is to take out the batteries and keep the Xbox button pressed for a few seconds. Some say to keep it pressed even for 30 seconds. Then pop the batteries back in. Also don't forget that minus goes to minus and plus to plus. And see if the controller works. Some say that rolling the batteries sometimes helps. Or even putting a piece of paper behind the batteries to push them in order to stay firmly in the slots. If nothing has worked until now, try to clean the contacts with some isopropylic alcohol and a microfiber cloth. Also, while you're at it, look if the contacts are fine and not damaged. Carefully examine the spring-loaded metal contacts inside the battery compartment for any signs of being bent or corroded. If they are bent inwards, gently use a small non-conductive tool to bend them back and ensure good contacts with the batteries. But if the contacts are corroded, the controller needs to be taken apart and the corroded parts need to be replaced, if you have the tools necessary for that and spare parts. Also, if the controller looks like this, because you smashed it, you need some serious hardware repair, or to get a new one.